my girl, that's my mascot. No one's go for hours and some hours till we pass out. Stay inside the house, turned up with the racks out. Stay inside the house, turned. All right, y'all. So these are the black celebs that slayed the red carpet at the NAACP Image Award. Is he a guest? I'm just wondering. Is he a guest? They look like they like each other. That's kind of nice. And I hate to say it, but yeah. Yeah, we need to repurpose the goddamn word. They stole it from us, and now they trying to still fuck around and find out. Let me explain something to y'all. Fuck around and find out is basically what parents told their kids when they acted a damn fool, or when you saw a knucklehead that wasn't gonna pay the fuck attention and do what they were supposed to do. Okay, that's what fuck around and find out. It's also play stupid games, win stupid prizes, ask stupid questions, get stupid answers. All of that's the same, and it comes from our culture. Stop taking our shit. We're not done with it. Like you take our damn neighborhoods. I would be in Roxbury if my home didn't get gentrified. Fucking dog got a damn silk press and shoes in the winter. Whew. Anyways, former vice president. I was right the first time. President Kamala Harris and Doug Emhoff. I'm good. I'm just gonna stay with that. There they go. They look happy. I wish they had some color. She's wearing a tie. He's wearing a tie. So I guess she's the woman in charge. I don't know. I wish she had wore a dress, but it's cute. They look happy. She won something. I don't know what award she won because they won't tell me. But she wore it. She got an award. So good on you, ma'am. Let's move on. Okay, this man to me is like one of the most handsome black men ever. And I've seen his family. It's beautiful. Morris Chestnut. He can do no wrong when it comes to fashion. He's debonair. Okay, he did something wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. You need your ass whooped. What is this? I hate animal print, and this is horrible. I hope this is just fabric and it ain't real. Like you went and got some hair on you. You know, you would have been better with just out that damn jacket. I hate that damn jacket for you. I hate that jacket for you, and I hate it for whoever the hell it came off of. God dang it. Look, I don't like animal print. I'm sorry. I find it tacky. If you like animal print, that's great, but I don't. Every time I see someone in animal print, I think, oh Lord, I hope you're not huge. Gabrielle Union. Now, she's not an ugly woman, but I've just never liked her look. I didn't know she was this damn skinny. She ain't got no... Yeah, that jacket ain't it. But look at this shit. The dress is kind of cute, but she ain't got no curves. What you been doing? Somebody tell me, what is it? So when you get to a certain age, you get either super big or you get super small. Which is it? And I think I'm not going to lie. That little actress that looks like her clone, I think she's feeling jealous because this haircut right here is trying to say, I'm trying my best to look young. That's what that haircut is telling me. I don't like big hair anyways. But damn, she needs some meat on her bones. This is supposed to be see-through, but I'm scared if someone see you, they gonna see bones. Madam, eat some cornbread. Jesus Christ. Who knows? And I don't think that's his name because, Jay didn't exist. I'm just going to say that. I'm not going to get into it. We can talk about that another time. I can't say this one lady's name, but I know who she is. And the other two are Carrie Washington, and Ebony Obsidian. I love that silver dress. She is killing that look. What the hell is wrong with you, Carrie? Who talked you into that? And I think it's the girl in front of you with the black. Because, I see that trying to show a little bit, but you didn't want to show everything. And then you trying to bring fingerless gloves back in. And this is not the 80s, ma'am. Girls just want to have fun, but not like that. It looks like you didn't finish zipping your dress, ma'am. The only one that I say is killing it is that one on the right. She looks regal. She's got the right, curves for the dress. The dress don't look saggy or nothing. She got a regal. She looks regal. I'm sorry. Maybe I'm wrong, but somebody described her as a high school cute. I guess I always thought there was something wrong, like the way she looks. It's just something like artificial whenever I looked at Gabrielle Union. But I don't know what the hell is going on with Carrie. That don't even match. These are all flowers, but that look like fur if you ain't paying attention. Girl, you wrong for that. Who talked you into that? That is wrong. I am so sorry. I'm glad they didn't show the feet because I'm going to get on the feet. I be hating seeing, Journey Smollett, your brother is problematic and your titties are about to pop out. Oh my God, who did this to her? Who did this to her? Well, at least she got some nice shoes. Who did this? It looks like 5 people got a damn corset around that ass and pulled. She can't breathe. The girl can't breathe. I don't think she can breathe. Them titties are screaming for help. Oh my God. You don't need a push-up bra or nothing. Your titties are smashed into you. They probably smaller, but they look huge because they smashed. I know this because I tried to do this before. I've tried to put on a shirt that was too damn small. Girl, did you just have a? Are you feeding? Are you breastfeeding? I just want to know because these titties look huge. They probably ain't, but I think you have a corset on that is probably rearranging your organs, ma'am. Beautiful dress, but not for you, ma'am. Maybe a few sizes bigger. God dang. Jesus Christ, I hope you soaked after this. I hope you soaked. Halle Bailey. I keep calling her Barry. I don't know why. Halle Bailey. That's a cute dress. And her body did, look like she getting some arms too. She working out. She looking good. The dress is a little plain, but still cute. I would have liked it better if all of it went down in either one solid color. Where's your purse? She ain't got no purse though. But she looking good. She don't look a hot mess. So thank you. Cause I don't know what to say about the last things I just saw. Her sister, Chloe Bailey, what did she do? She went all out. I'm not gonna be mad about it. It's actually kind of cute. It's different. I'm not too crazy about the color scheme of that thing whooshing up on her titties, but it looks good on her and it fits her curves very nicely. I wish she had a clutch, or a necklace. A necklace would not look nice too. But you know what? Maybe she wanted everybody to see that regal neck of hers. So I'm not mad about it. It's a little weird, but I'm not mad about it. Let me explain something to y'all. I don't know shit about fashion. I know what I like. I know what I don't like. This is what you getting. Don't ever try to say I'm a fashion mogul because I'm not. Shit. Sometimes I come out looking like a straight up bum. Like today, I went to go to the dispensary and I look like a bum. He looks kind of dapper. Nothing to be mad about. The shoes fit. They're shiny. The pants ain't wrinkled. Got a little cut right there for a little space. That's nice. I'm not crazy about the color, but hell, it looks good on him. That one looks like wings or something. That's what I'm saying. It wasn't for me. It was not for me. I just couldn't do it. But he looks dapper. He looks nice. This is somebody, yes, I like his look. This is somebody that's a man who's going to an award show. That's all I can say. Oh, Lord, what did Denzel's son do? Let's see. I don't know how I feel about them little scraggly hairs you got on your head, but you're looking all right. You ain't looking bad. I bet you did something with the shoes. They didn't show the shoes, but you don't look bad. You got the open thing. You ain't showing too much. I don't see no like burger meat up there. That's gross. You clean shaven. I just don't like the way them ponytails look so. They need some. You need to grow some more hair, sir. You need some thickness in them. They looking scraggly. I don't know what to say about this. It's a little scraggly, but you looking good, sir. You looking good. At least you ain't embarrassing us. Oh, Lord. Shannon Sharp. How many of y'all want to bet his clothes are tight as fuck? I just want y'all to... How much you want to bet this is the male version of Journey's dress? Oh, Lord have mercy. What you got? Oh, my God. The world's going to end. The world's going to end. His pants fit. He's got a clutch, though. Why does he have a clutch and bangles? He got bangle bracelets. I know bangle bracelets. They used to put them bitches on me when I was a little girl. I kept breaking them bitches. Pure silver. I still can't find them. He about to look crazy. Yeah. The purse. The purse is killing me, but the suit actually fits. Somebody must have told him, or he got tired of not being able to breathe. But why does he have auntie glasses? Every time I look at these glasses, I think about somebody's auntie. He got some white ass teeth. I wonder if those are his real teeth. He got some white ass teeth. That's for damn sure. But I still want to know about them auntie glasses. They look like something some auntie should be wearing. And I don't understand why he has a merce. You know, a man purse. He got a merce. I don't know why he got a merce, but okay. At least the shit ain't tight. Whoo. Okay, Kyla Pratt. You know, she been on the down low. I didn't even know she had a baby. Okay, she's kind of Renaissance. It looks like a better version of Haley's dress. I wish she had to put a necklace on, maybe some redder. Yeah, he did look nice, but who? She got that thick ass thigh. I like that. She ain't hiding, and her toes are not hanging off the shoe. I love the shoe. I usually hate the shoe. Her toes, her whole leg looks lotioned. I like that. Her toes ain't hanging off. The nails and the toenails are matching the dress. The jewelry ain't gaudy. I wish she had maybe just one like nice simple chain around her neck, and I love her hair. She is looking good. What is she doing? Somebody needs to employ this woman. Shit. What is she doing? I ain't seen her for a while. What is she doing? Oh Lord, I'm still pissed off at these motherfuckers. So before I even get into these assholes, so apparently Damon wants to fuck with people and sit his ass up there and pretend that we trying to be like that damn character of his from In Living Color, the uneducated educated prisoner. Yeah, no, he's saying that shit because a whole bunch of us caught the fucking messages in Kendrick's fucking halftime show. Now they trying to, you doing too much, assholes. I'm still mad at y'all about that shit you pulled. Fuck, y'all losing y'all, and of all people, White Chin right here with all the jokes and shit got to have on a tight ass outfit. It looked like it's about to choke. Look, you ain't even got both your buttons buttoned. You ignorant bastard. You want to make jokes about the rest of us because we ready to move and you think we doing too much. What about this? Button all your buttons up and then we can talk, sir. You it's on site with me. It's on site because of that bullshit right there. I love your younger brother Marlon and I love your son, but you pissed me off. Yeah, he did that bullshit. You know I got my foot on their neck. David Allen Greer. You know, David, I don't know what the fuck to say anymore. You look like you going to bed. That is your, oh Lord, who dressed David Allen Greer? This man is actually very esteemed. Who told him to wear this shit? The tie ain't, look, he don't even care. The tie ain't even on straight. He don't even care. This is a bathrobe, and he got on house shoes. Okay? His ass is about to go to sleep. At least he'll be comfortable. Whoever the hell dressed him up, he must have said, I'm tired. I want to be comfortable. I want to take a nap. And that's what they did. They had to. Why did you do this? Who did this to this old man? Somebody grandpa is out the bed. Oh, Lord. They was wrong for this. Don't he? Oh, you need to fire whoever did that. Shit. This is not a couture moment. Okay, I can't say her name. Ego Wandim. I hope I said it right. She's a beautiful woman. She is very beautiful. Her teeth are very white. She looks like she's going to whoop somebody's ass. I don't really like the color scheme because it reminds me of dungaree. But them damn arms, girl, if you ain't got nothing, you got health. You look like you could beat the shit out of somebody. God dang. The rings are nice. The nails, all right. I just don't like this pattern of this dress. It reminds me of dungaree. And I just don't feel like dungaree need to be in a place like that. Plus, you could have pulled your arm. You kind of squished in there because I can see some of your titties spilling out on the side. I'm very observant. I was in the Navy. Shit, I'm very observant. But them damn arms, she's goddamn Michelle. She's Michelle Obama Jr. with them arms. Damn, girl, what is your job? I need to work out with your trainer. Damn, I got little turkey wings right now. Shit, them arms. But she looked good. She looked good. And that's it for the fashion show. That's it for tonight. I'm going to leave y'all with just a few words. We need to get these words out for real. We need to get the word out. We need to get our shit together. We need to stop, fighting against each other. We got to fight against that crab mentality, and we got to help each other out for real. We need to make Black 2025 flourish. We need our we need Black Wall Street back up and moving. We need to be building our own tables, people, because these motherfuckers is making it harder and harder to get a chair. Fuck the chair. Let's build our own tables and get our own chairs and sit at our own fucking things. We can do this if we get all together. We could have been done this. But the problem is, and they know we could have, look what they did to the original Black Panthers. That was not a vigilante group. That was a group to support low income communities, Black communities, just communities. It was a community group and they fucked us over. We got to get this shit right. I'm doing this because I'm trying to have kids and I don't want my child in an apartheid world. I'm telling you right now, we need to get the right spokespeople. We need to get out there on these fucking streets for us, not other people's shit. Not other people's shit. Now, I'm all for Black women falling back. The 92% of us, yeah, we falling the fuck back on all these other things. But we need to get out there and get our own shit together while they busy over there not paying attention to us. Because whenever they pay attention to us, we got shit to deal with. They all in our business. We need to cut access and do our shit like we need to. At least until this shit gets figured out. Because some of the shit they letting go through Congress and on television, got to tell you this is one of the stupidest countries in the world. So we got to do this shit right. I don't give a fuck what you say. And if you didn't know, your intelligence comes from your mama. Foo fat. So with that in mind, I'm gonna holler at y'all later. I've been triggered since fucking November 5th and it's just getting stronger. No, we ain't going in the streets. We just getting our shit together. We getting lumber and we getting lumber, nails and hammers. We about to build our own fucking tables. Fuck the streets. We'll holler at y'all inside the boardroom where it matters. Because that's what y'all really trying to tell us. Money walks and bullshit talks. Well, guess what? We gonna get our shit together this time. Y'all ain't gonna fuck with us this time. We was minding our own Black business. So now we gonna do it again and we got angry motherfuckers this time. I got a fucking bat. It's aluminum. Go check it out on my shorts. It's there. I took a picture of it in my car, damn it. Watch me. All right, y'all. I'll holler at y'all later. I love y'all, and without y'all, I would be nothing. I'm still building some other stuff. I made a new channel. I'll plug that up later. I haven't made anything for the channel yet. It's gonna be like, a comedy, completely comedy movie recap. But I'm gonna continue this, and hopefully, if we get enough people, then I can start a new panel show I would love called Grown Folk Ish. I love you to death. And here goes my outro for Jen, wherever the hell she is, because she loves my outro. She's in the back of it. I modeled her. Some of these models you see are actual people I modeled from what they look like. I'm out. Good night, y'all. I can't say, no, I always gotta go. Oops, sorry. I can't stay. Oh, I always gotta go. And I'll send you home with my soul on the road. I can't stay. No, I always gotta go. And I'll send you home with my soul on the road.